Hello friends, today I'm going to show you very easy breakfast oats recipe. You can actually have them anytime whenever you want. These are the oats which I get from my German supermarket. They are available everywhere. They're very cheap, only 59 cents. And this I don't use any portion control. I don't measure anything. Because I'm very hungry, I eat a lot. So I eat them, I just don't measure the quantity. They are healthy no matter what, at what time you eat. So they are very filling also. So I take oats and I just take some this is a flaxseed powder. This is a powder form of this line salmon, or you can say flax seeds, and I just crush them in my blender, and this is a powder form. I just use they're very healthy, very good for hair, very good for skin, and I just use 1 or 2 spoons whatever you want. It will keep you full, and they're very good for your metabolism also. I also take some chia seeds. They are also full of protein, and this combination is very important if you want a recipe which keeps you full for longer. When I eat this, like in my office, I don't get hungry for 6-7 hours, and I really get hungry often. But when I eat them for at least 5 hours, I'm full. And for the sweetness, I don't add sugar, I add cinnamon. It is called Zimt in German. So I just add cinnamon also, just according to my taste, and this will also help in keeping the insulin in check. So I don't add any honey, any sugar, and it's really very healthy. It will make the recipe very sweet. You can also add nuts to it. You can add honey to it if you want, or you can add a banana. But all those things increase the calorie content of this recipe, and I don't want that. And I want very easy and quick thing in which you don't have to do any cooking. So what the only thing I do now is that I just soak them in the milk. You have to add generous amount of milk, because when the oats will get soaked, they will swell up and they will absorb all the milk. So you don't have to do any cooking. You just have to keep them in the fridge for overnight. They're called overnight oats. I just keep them in the fridge overnight, and next day in the morning I just keep them for my lunch. It is my lunch, breakfast, whatever you can see. And I have really lost a lot of weight, and my skin has become healthier, and my hair have become healthier since I have started eating this. So I really strongly recommend to have you to at least once try it. You can change the quantity of the ingredients according to your choice, how you want, but I will really strongly recommend that have this combination of flax seeds, oats, and chia and cinnamon. All this combination really keeps you full for longer. Also keeps the cinnamon, as I said, that it will help you in sugar cravings. So if you will keep it soaked for at least 5-6 hours, you don't have to cook it. You can just enjoy it like that. I hope you like this easy recipe, and if you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do share it with your family and friends. I really need your support. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.